In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add my Expedia booking to Outlook. Keeping your travel plans organized is much easier when everything is stored in your calendar. By adding your Expedia booking to Outlook, you can stay on top of your schedule, receive reminders, and make sure you never miss an important trip detail. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to manually add your booking into Outlook in a clear and simple way. To begin, open your Outlook homepage and navigate to the Calendar section. You will see a calendar icon, so go ahead and click on it to open your schedule view. Once your calendar is displayed, choose the specific date that matches your travel booking. For example, if your trip is scheduled for the 20th, click on that date to open it. After selecting the date, expand the view to make it easier to enter details. This will open a new window where you can create a calendar event. At the top, you will see a field where you can enter a title for your event. In this case, type in Expedia booking so it is clearly labeled in your calendar. Next, you can adjust the time settings for your trip. Set the start time and end time according to your booking details. For instance, you might set the start time for midday and the end time for the following day, depending on your travel schedule. This ensures your calendar accurately reflects the duration of your trip. You also have the option to add additional details to your event. This includes a location field, where you can enter your destination or hotel name, as well as a description section, where you can include important travel information, such as booking notes or reminders. These extra details help you stay fully organized during your trip. Near the top of the event settings, you will notice reminder options. These allow you to receive notifications before your trip begins. You can choose a reminder time, such as 15 or 30 minutes before the event, so you are alerted in advance and can prepare accordingly. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, simply click Save to store the event in your Outlook calendar. Your Expedia booking is now successfully added, making it easy to track your travel plans in one place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.